Friends, my name is Desaital Ashramik Vidyalaya Killa Padi. Standard 8, Subject English, Chapter number 6. This is Jody's phone. Before you read, often instead of rushing to the doctor to treat a small cut or burn, we find quick and effective cures using things available at home. Can you think of some such home remedies for a cut on your knee, a burn on your arm, and a bee sting? In this story, Jody's father has been bitten by a rattlesnake. He quickly kills a doe and uses its heart and liver to draw out a poison. Jody wonders what will happen to the little fawn left without a mother. यहाँ पे स्टोरी दी गई है। इस स्टोरी में जोडीस के जो फादर है उसको क्या काटता है? स्नैक। और जो जोड़ी है उसके साथ क्या होता है कि उसकी मदर्स है वो भी डेड मर चुकी है। तो देखते हैं हम फर्स्ट पार्ट में स्टोरी। जोडी allowed his thoughts to drift back to the phone he could not keep out of his mind. He had held it in his dreams in his arms. He slipped from the table and went to his father's beside. Penny lay at rest. His eyes were open and clear, but the pupils were still dark. Delight, Jody said. How are you feeling, Pa? Just fine. Old Death has gone thieving elsewhere, but wasn't it a close save? I agree. Penny said, I am proud of you, boy. The boy you kept, you had and did what was needed. क्या है कि in this story कि Jody's father is beaten up by restlessness. He quickly kills two and uses lies and wonders. Jody could not forget her event, the incident. He loved the little fawn. His father Penny lay in bed. Jody inquired after his health. Penny said, I am proud of you, boy. Penny क्या कहते हैं कि I am proud of you, boy. The way you kept you here and did what was needed. I can never forget them. The poor doe saved me, that's certain. Pa, the fawn may be out there yet. It might be hungry and very scared. I suppose so. Pa, I am a big boy now. I don't need to drink milk. आप भी आपके पापा की हेल्थ जब भी ख़राब हो तो आप आपके पापा की हेल्प करते हो, ओके। बट जितने आपके मॉम डैड को आपकी चिंता होती है, आप कहीं से भी घर से जाते हो, कहाँ लेट आते हो, तब भी आपके मदर पेरेंट्स आपकी चिंता करते हैं। तो ऐसे यहाँ फ़नी को क्या बोलते हैं कि मुझे अब दूध पीने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, मैं अब तो बड़ा हो गया हूँ। Boy, you have got me hemmed me. If want it much to raise it, I will soon start eating leaves and acorns. You are smarter than boys of your age. कि जो आपके एज के सभी बच्चे होते हैं, इसकी एज के हिसाब से तो आप बहुत स्मार्ट हो. Surely it seems ungrateful to leave it to starve. Son, I can't say no to you. I never thought I had lived to see another day. Can I read back with Melville and see if I can find it? Tell your ma I said you can go. He settled back to the table and sat down. His mother was pouring coffee for everywhere. He said, Ma, Pa, I can go bring back the phone. She held the coffee pot in mid-air. What fun! The phone belonging to the dove we killed. We used the dust lever to throw out a poison and save Pa. She gasps. Well, for pity's sake, Pa says, it would be ungrateful to leave it so stray. Wilson said, that's right, ma'am. Nothing in the world comes quite free. The boy's right and his daddy's right. Melville said, he can ride back with me. I will help him find it. She sat down. the pot helplessly. Well, if you will give it your milk, we have got nothing else to feed it. Kyaki Jodi decided to go to forest with Melville in search of the fawn. He hoped to be back home for dinner. The two rode out. Jodi had a vague idea of the place where his father had been bitten by the snake. The bushes were thick. Melville said, "Come on, boy, we have got it reading." Ma Bakshar asked anxiously, "You will not be gone long." Jodi says, "I will be back before dinner for sure." Melville mounted his horse and pulled Jodi up behind him. He said to Melville, "Do you think the fawn's still there? Will you help me find him?" "We will find if he's alive. How you know it's a he?" The spots were only line on a dot fawn passes. Line spots are every which way. तो बच्चों ये हुआ आपका फर्स्ट पार्ट। इसके जो क्वेश्चन आंसर्स है, आई विल राइट ए notebook and you will send. Please you will write in your notebook. Okay. Second part. Jodi gave himself over to thoughts of the fawn. They passed the Abnot clearing. He said, "Cut to the north, Melville. It was up here that Pa got bitten by the snake and killed the doe, and I saw the fawn." Okay, thank you.